Hey everybody, welcome back to the channel. I'm on the Mustang again for the budget build I got here with the 100,000 mile Mustang. Let's see what we can get out of it. The other day I was doing some launches out in the street and I noticed that there were some wavy tracks. I don't really feel the any hopping, but I figured since everyone talks about it, I was going to address it. So we're going to put the lockout kits on the subframe. So we'll get to that in a second. So you basically get your braces that replace the stock stamped ones, and you get some upper and lower sleeves here that go on the bushings to help solidify it. So this is like the rear one for the bottom, and I believe the thinner one is for the top of the rear, and the thicker one is the top for the front. And then this is the bottom, functions as the bottom. So that one piece I showed you, that the shinier piece, that's going to go here. We'll do that in a second. Right now I have it held up with this jack, so I'm just going to crank this down. You just need enough room to get up in there. And that's probably enough. So now we just get our pieces up in there. So here's your collar for the rear on this side, and we're only doing one side at a time, obviously. And here's the front. I don't know if that's enough. Maybe a little more. And then we'll just jack it back up. So for the rear, all I did now is I started to thread this bolt in with this piece here, which is gonna lock up against here, and that's gonna go against the top. Now I just tighten that bolt up and it'll pull it back up. And on this side, I just need to install that red brace I showed you. Now when you do this, you want to make sure that this sleeve fits all the way around there evenly. So now, probably going to need the socket because the bolt goes up inside of here. You can get it nice tight up there, and then you're just you can get these bolts lined up over here. And basically these went right in. It's 129 foot-pounds on these large bolts, and that's it. And then you can just switch to the other side. But I'm thinking it would probably be best to not tighten these all the way to get the other side done. So right now, this one and this one are just slightly loose, so that there's a little bit of movement to make the other side easier to do. So what you want to see is that the ridge here contacting the red part, and the top piece fully in around the top of this. And in the back you got those two little tangs engaging, and then your spacer on the top. And of course for me, as always, I had to modify my tow hook, or not my tow hook, but my trailer tie down, because in the stock ones it fit in there, but I had to slightly move it over because of this tube. So I just re-drilled a hole here and just moved it over a little bit. Should not be a problem. So there you have it. There's nothing to that. It was very quick to do. I'm really excited to go take it for a ride and see if that waviness and the burnout marks go away. If not, we'll do some more to it, but really looking forward to seeing what this thing will do with just E85 and some suspension. I'm waiting for the dual adjustable rear shocks and the adjustable front struts and spring. Well, I have the springs, but I can't put the springs on until I get the struts. So once that's all done, we're going to see where it is then. So hopefully within a week or so, I will get those. I'm not sure what's going to happen, but I really don't want to test it until then. So we're going to see what just some base suspension and an E85 tune, see where it's at, and we're going to go from there. I still don't know what I want to do with the power at. I really want to build an all-out NA, or at least almost all-out NA. I don't know if I want to do the Cobra Jet intake, but cams and headers, throttle body, maybe port the intake. I'm not sure if that's going to do anything. And then nitrous, probably a 200 port injected setup. If I don't do that, maybe a Pro Charger or the turbo, but I think I'm leaning more towards the NA part of it, but we'll see. I mean, if I do NA, I'll also add a torque converter to it and just get the best. I would love to run like mid-10s NA. I would be very satisfied with that, and then punch into the 9s with a 200 shot, something like that. And that will be exactly where I want to be, especially for the kind of racing we do at our local track. That'll be plenty for that. So please like and subscribe, and we'll catch you on the next one.